Good morning, students. Now, first chapter over, chapter number 2, algebra. First exercise, some other exercise that is called fast interaction, I will do later. Now, I have started the second exercise concept. Permutation. For any natural number n factorial is the product of the first n natural numbers and is denoted by n factorial. Alright? Your point, here one n factorial or this symbol. N factorial what is the name? 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n. Three is n minus 1. In this way, you want to multiply together to get the answer. 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 up to 5. 1 factorial is 1 only. 0 factorial also 1. N factorial means, listen here, small idea, without factorial n. What is previous number? N minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as without factorial, but the previous one with the factorial. 6 factorial is what is formula? The without factorial 6 is here. What is previous number? 6 minus 1, 5. 5 factorial. Again, 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial. In this way, you want to write. This idea is one concept. By using this idea, so many problems are there, 2 mark, 3 mark problem. And one more small definition. Multiplication principle of counting. There are 2 jobs are there. First job completed in M ways. Next is what? N ways. Then 2 jobs in succession can be completed in M into N ways. This is called multiplication. The same thing, if there are 2 jobs, each of which can be performed independently, separately in n and m ways respectively, then either of the 2 jobs can be performed in m plus n ways. That's important. A small idea. Now, if I use this idea, exercise problem 2.2. Exercise 2.2. What I told you? 2.1. First exercise, I will do later. Now, exercise 2.2, the first question, find x. This is given. Now, what is given? 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial equal to x by 8 factorial. What is the minimum number? The minimum number is simply fixed here. Plus, now, the 7 factorial can be written as 7 without factorial. Previous number is what? 6 factorial. Here also x by, the x factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into, the previous number is what? 6 factorial. Am I correct? This is a small idea. Any factorial can be written as what I told you? 5 factorial, no? Without factorial 5. The previous is with factorial. What is previous number? With factorial. The same thing, 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 factorial. The 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 factorial. Because what is the reason? The minimum number is what? Out of these 3 numbers, minimum number is 6 factorial. Here 6 factorial. Here also 6 factorial. Here also 6 factorial. That's why multiply by 6 factorial. Automatically, all 6 factorial cancel. Here 1, here 1 by 7. Here x by 7 into 8. Am I correct? Now taking 7 as LCM. 7 plus 1. Here x by 7 into 8. 1 7 cancel. Am I correct? 8 equal to x by 8. Cross multiply 64 into x. X equals 64. Am I correct? This is the answer. Okay, you want x, you should remove factorial. That's why when you small idea, the maximum number is reduced to minimum number. The minimum is 6 factorial is there. That's why this number and this number also reduced to previous number. In this way, right? We get 6 factorial, 6 factorial, 6 factorial. All 6 factorial cancel because you want to multiply. Am I correct? 64 is the answer. Next question. This is evaluate. This is asking. Numbers are given. Now write the question. N factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. What is given? N factorial is what? 5. 5 factorial. By R is what? 2 factorial. Inside bracket, n minus R. N is what? 5. R is what? 3. 5 minus 2 is what? 3 factorial. Okay? Otherwise, we will put the number. 5 minus 2 factorial. Now 5 factorial here, 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Now, we don't want factorial, no? That's why this 5 factorial can be written without 4, 5. 3 is 4, no? 4 can be written 4 factorial can be written 4 into 3 factorial. Am I right? Because here this number will be cancelled. Okay? Now 4 into 5. Here I have 2 factorial. 2 factorial can be 1 into 2. What I told you? Previous formula. N factorial means 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n. 2 factorial means start with 1. 1, 2, that's all. 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. In this way. 1 times, 2 times. Answer is what? 10 is the answer. Very simple concept. Small idea. The factorial is very, very important. The factorial, whatever it may be. Suppose 10 factorial is there. What is the answer? Without factorial 10, the previous one 9 factorial. Again, 10 into 9 factorial, then without factorial 9, the previous 8 factorial. In this way, you want to write that small idea. That's why, by using this idea only, we get the answer. Here also the same thing. That's all. Now, third question. N plus 2 factorial equal 60 into n minus 1 factorial. Find here. Write the given quantity. What is also n asked? Usually what I told you, small numbers are fixed here. N minus 1 factorial small number. Comparatively, n plus 2 factorial, n minus 1 factorial small number, that's why it is fixed. The n plus 2 can be as n plus 2 without factorial. What is the previous number? Reduced by 1. N plus 1 minus 1, that is what? N plus 1. This also without factorial. Again, previous number. N plus 1 is now. N plus 1 can be as previous number is what? N. What is previous number? N minus 1 factorial. In this way, you will factorial. Then only the factorial should be cancelled. Am I correct? Important idea. Up to n plus 2 is given. N plus 2 factorial is given. We don't want factorial. That's why, but here n minus 1 factorial is there. Usually, small number 1 fixed here. The biggest number, greater number. Start with the greater number. Previous number with the factorial. Again, actually, what is the formula actually? N plus 2 factorial means without factorial n plus 2, the previous number is what? With the factorial. This is a concept. Once again, this can be as n plus 1 factorial can be as without factorial n plus 1, the previous number is with the factorial. Am I right? Again, this n factorial can be as without factorial n, the previous number what? With factorial. This idea. This will be cancelled. Now once again, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 equals 60. Here, product of 3 numbers are there, That's why the 60 also you want to write in terms of product of 3 numbers. Because left hand side, product of consecutive numbers of 3 numbers. Product of 3 consecutive numbers. That means what? N, adding 1, n plus 1, adding 1, n plus 2. 60 also you want to write in terms of consecutive numbers. What are the numbers? 3, 4, 5. Am I done? The 60 can be 3 into 4 into 5. What is the reason? Small number 3. Add by 1, 4. Again adding 1, 5. This is here also. First n, adding 1, n plus 1. Adding 1, n plus 2. Then comparing, n equal 3. That is the answer. Actually, ordinary multiplication means n into n plus 1 n plus 2 means you want to multiply, we get the cubic equation. Cubic equation. Here numbers are there. Solving the cubic equation is not possible. Actually, if possible, some other idea, but using some other idea only, we get the answer. But in the guessing method, product of 3 consecutive number. Here also product of 3 consecutive number. In this way you want to write. Then comparing first number with first number, second number with second number, third with third. Anyway, n equal to. Because second number with second number means what is the answer? N plus 1 equal to 4 is the second with second. Okay? Now n equal to what? 4 minus 1, 3. That is the answer. Suppose last number with last number. N plus 2 equal to 5. Now n equal to what? 5 minus 2, 3. Anyway, you will get the answer. N equal to 3. That's why I am comparing first with first. That will get the answer. That's all. The same was important question. By using again the same criteria. N factorial means what is the formula? Without factorial n, the previous number is what? Previous number is reduced by 1 with the factorial answer. Am I right? In this way, once again n minus 1 factorial, what is the answer? N minus 1 factorial can be as n minus 1. Previous number is what? N minus 2 factorial. In this way, etc. going on. This idea. By use small idea only we get the answer. Now example problem 2.8, evaluate. This is a question. The first subdivision 7 factorial by 6 factorial. What I told you? The small number is fixed here. Now 7 factorial can be 7 into previous number is what? 6 factorial. This will be cancelled. We get the answer? 7 is the answer. That's all. Am I right? Next is what? 8 factorial by 5 factorial. What I told you? The small number is fixed here. Now 8 factorial can be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Am I right? This will be cancelled. Now multiply, that is the answer. 6 7s are 42. Am I right? 6 7s are 42. 42 into 8 336. That is the answer. Am I right? Now last one, third subdivision. 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. What I told you? The 9 can be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Am I right? Why I have any after 6 factorial? We got denominator also 6 factorial involved. This will be cancelled. Am I right? Once again, 7 into 8 into 9. This 3 factorial can be 1 into 2 into 3. Am I right? How many times? 4 times. How many times? 3 times. 7 into 4 into 3. Multiply. 28. 7 plus 28. 28 into 3. 28 into 84. That is answer. Yes, sir. These are 2 more questions. Small concept. Now next question, exam 2.9. Rewrite 7 factorial in terms of 5 factorial. So 7 factorial can be into 5 factorial, no? So 7 into previous number 6 into previous number 5 factorial. Am I right? Now 5 factorial, multiply both 42. 42 into 5 factorial. This is the answer, that's all. In terms of 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial? Now again the same thing, previous model. 2.10, find n. If 1 by 9 factorial plus 1 by 10 factorial equal to n by 11 factorial. What is the minimum number? The minimum number should be fixed here. This can 10 factorial can be 10 into the previous 9 factorial. Am I right? Again, n divided by the 11 factorial can 11 into 10 into the previous number is what? 9 factorial. All are 9 factorial, 9 factorial, 9 factorial. That's why multiply by 9 factorial. After all 9 factorial cancel, you get the answer 1 here, 1 by 10 here, n by 10 into 11. Am I right? Now 10 is LCM. 10 ones are 10 plus 1 equal to 10 by n by 10 into 11. This 10 will cancel. Now 11 equal to n by 11. Cross multiply 11 into 11 equal to n. Now n equal to 11 11s are 120. This is the answer. About 3 more question. The 2 more question. Very simple concept. By using the factorial idea, we get the answer. That's all. Now, example 2.12. If each objective type question having 4 choices, then find the total number of ways of answering 4 questions. Now, since the answer is since each question can be answered in 4 ways, because in one question we have 4 answers. That's why 4 ways. Is A or B or C or D. The total number of ways of answering 4 questions. 4 questions, no. In one question, 4 ways. 4 questions means 4 into 4 into 4, 4 times. Multiply 2 with that is the answer. Simple concept. Next one is how many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed if the repetition of digits are not allowed? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed if the repetitions are these are not allowed? This is a question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed if the repetition of the digits are not allowed? This is a question. 3-digit number means what do you mean? Unit place, 10th place, 100. This is called 3-digit number. In this way, you will put the number here. What are numbers are 0, 1, 2, they set up to 9. Am I right? Out of 10 number, you will put any number here. In this way, how many 3-digit numbers are there? That is a question. Now usually 3-digit number never start with 0. Suppose here start with 0 means here 1 2. This is not a 3-digit number. Am I right? That's why never start with 0. Now automatically 100th place can be filled by other than 0. What are number? 9 numbers. You will put any one of the number. Am I right? Out of except 0, we have 9 numbers, 1 to 9. You will put any one of the number. That means what? 9 ways. But 100th place can be filled with 1 to 9 in 9 ways. We exclude 0. That's important. Because the first digit is always never 0. That's why in 9 ways. Similarly, next 10th place. 10th space can be filled by the remaining 9 numbers. What are number? Total 10 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. That means what? 10 number. 0 to 9 is 10 number. I have start with other than 0. Out of 1 to 9, you will put any number, any one of the number. Remaining number, how many number? 8 plus 9 numbers. Am I correct? In between 0. Now include 0. In between here, 1, 1, 2, 0. This is include number. In between 0 may become. Am I correct? But already you put one number. Here 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 9, 6 or 9 up to 9. You will put any one of the number. Out of 1 to 9, already allot one number. Automatically get only 8 number. Now include 0 also, 9 number again, 9 numbers, in 9 ways. Am I right? Next, the unit place can be filled by remaining 8 numbers. Because totally 10 number, here 1 number allotted, here 1 number allotted, remaining numbers are what? 8 numbers, that 8 ways. Therefore, then by multiplication principle counting, the number of 3-digit number is 9, first value, next 9 ways, 8 ways. Multiply 6 for 8 answer. I mean, the repetition is not allowed. Suppose here 1, 1, 1. This is 3-digit number, but this is not allowed. Am I right? That's important. You will put any number, first number not 0, remain any number, but the repetition is not allowed. That is the condition. Now, exercise 2.2, fourth question. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 with no digits appears more than 1? That means what? Digits are not repeated. The repetition not allowed. That is the meaning. Now, the answer is 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. Start with 67. Am I right? Now, we want to construct the 100th place, 10th place, 20th place. But numbers start with 67. From 1 to 0 to 9, there are 10 digits there totally. We have 10 numbers are there. In this number, already 67 should not use. What is the reason? Already 6 start with 67 now. 6, 7 already used. Remaining we have 8 digits. Am I right? Remaining 8 numbers are there. Now here in 100th place can be filled in 8 numbers, 8 numbers are there. 8 numbers in 8 ways. Particularly, here 2 number, here 1 number allotted. What is the remaining number? Only 7 number. 10th place also can be filled in 7 number, remaining 7 number in 7 ways. Here also numbers allotted. 4 numbers allotted. Am I right? Remaining numbers are what? 6. Again, unit place can be filled in by 9 numbers in 9 ways. Therefore, the multiplication principle, the number of telephone number constructed is, what are the ways? 8 ways, 7 ways, 6 ways. You want to multiply, take an answer. Read the question clearly. From the question, you will write the answer. I answer easy for you, but the question is somewhat tough actually. From the question, you want to guess actually. Start with 6, 7, 5-digit number. Totally we have 0 to 9 already given. What 10 numbers are there? Out of 10 numbers, 6, 7 already allotted. Remaining numbers what? Only 8 numbers. Out of 8 number, here you want to put 1 number in, remaining number 7. Out of 7, in 7 ways, here also 1 number substitute, order you get the number 6. 8 ways, what is the reason for 8 ways? We have 8 numbers are there. You will put any one of the number, am I right? Except 6, 7, you will put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 7 is there, 5, 6, 7 is there, then 8, 9. In this way, 8 number, you will put any one of the number. That's why 8 ways. What number already know? Remaining numbers only 7 numbers. Am I correct? Because repeat is not wrong. Suppose here 7, here 7, that is wrong. Because if no digits appears more than one, that means what? Only one type. That means repeat is not covered. That is the meaning. Very simple concept, but this is application problem. Now exercise 2.2, fifth question. How many numbers less than 1000? How many numbers are asking? Less than 1000. Less than 1000 means only 3 digit number. Am I right? How many numbers less than 1000? 3 digit number, 2 digit number, 8 digits. We are having, this is actually 1000 means 4 digit number. Less than means 999. 999 is 3 digit number. 3 is 2 digit number. 3 is single digit. With 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No digits are repeated. This is a question. I will say here. The required numbers are less than 1000. No. But there are 1 digit number, or 2 digit number, or 3 digit number will come. Required numbers are less than 1000. How many numbers are asking? From this number. That's why they are 1 digit number, or 2 digit number, or 3 digit number. That's why I will consider 1 digit number. 1 digit number means we have 5 numbers. No? 1 digit numbers are 5 because they start with the over 5. Not start with actually. One digit number, either 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is single digit. That's what. Unit digit. That's 5 numbers. Same thing, 2 digit number. What is 2 digit number? 5, 6, 56, 6, 7, 67, 7, 8, 78, 8, 9, 89. In this way, 5, 7, 7, 9, or 98, 87, 76, 70. In this way, you want the 10th place, 2 digit number. Sorry, now 2 digit number. Correct only. 2 digit number only 56, 78. 2 digit number means 10th place can be filled by any one of the digits by 5 numbers are there. 5 numbers out of 5 numbers, you will put 10th place, you will put any number. Any one of them. Automatically, the unit place can be filled by the remaining any one of the 4 digits. Am I correct? First one 5 days. Out of 5 numbers, first 5 numbers are old name. Remaining numbers are next unit place. Remaining out of 4 numbers, you put any number. That is it. At least 4 ways. For 2 digit numbers are 5 into 4, 20. In this way, out of 5 numbers, you will form the 2 digit number in 20 ways. Mind it. You check yourself. 56, not 55. Because no more digits are repeated. That's why 56, 57, 58, 59. In this way, 4 numbers. Next, 65, 67, 68, 69. In this way, 4 numbers. Again, 75, 76, 78, 89. Again, 85, 86, 87, 89. In this way, 78, 95, 96, 97, 90. In this way, 2 digit number, total number 2 digit number is what? 20. Yes, question. Now next is what? 3 digit number. The 100th place can be by any of the 5 digits. 5 ways. 10th place can be filled by the remaining 4 digits. The unit place can be filled by 3 digits. That means what? For 5, first 5 number, after putting 1 number, remaining 4 numbers are there. Again putting 1 number means remaining out of 3 numbers, you will put any one of the number. Because 3 digit number, we need 3 numbers. First number, suppose 5 means, we have out of remaining 4, you will put any one. 2 numbers are remaining, out of 3 numbers, you will put any one. In this way, we have 5 into 4 into 5. 3. 5 into 4 into 3. Multiply 60. Total number is, the first one is 5 ways. 1 digit number 5 ways. Next, 2 digit number 20 ways. 3 digit number 60. Total number is 5 plus 20 plus 80. 60 equal to 85. Anyway, you want to guess actually. You form that here below 1000 means unit place is a single digit or 2 digit or 3 digit. So many numbers are there. You will form the number only by these 5 numbers. The repeat is not allowed. You will single digit means out of 5 numbers we have 5 ways. 2 digit number means the first number out of 5 numbers in 5 ways. 1 number allotted means we have remaining 4 numbers, that is 4 ways. Therefore 5 into 20. Similarly, 3 digit number also first 5 ways. 1 number allotted means remaining 4 ways. Again, 1 number order is remain with 3 ways. Now 5 into 4 into 360. Adding 3 to the R to the, you get the answer 85. That is the answer.